Hey guys, I'm here with my thoughts on the Rosewill Striker keyboard. So I've been using this keyboard for about a few months now, and to me it feels pretty solid. One problem I have with this keyboard is that the S key right here, it actually sometimes doesn't work, but I'm sure that doesn't happen with all of them, probably a very rare thing. But I did read some reviews that people were talking about how the keys sometimes broke. But that's the only problem I've been having with this keyboard. Other than that, everything on it is fine. I've been loving it. But yeah, another concern that I have about this is the back key right here. It's really small, but I got used to it over the period of time that I've had this. But there's some pretty nice features on it, like if you press caps lock, this lights up here. You press number lock, you press scroll lock, all those lights come on. But something I found weird with it is that when you turn it on, the light kind of goes beside it instead of right underneath it. But I guess that's just so you can see it better. And this is the entry range price point. This was like $45 on sale at Newegg, I think. This is the lowest model. And I really prefer this one over some of the other ones because this keyboard here, let me give you an example. There we go. This keyboard here has fully mechanical Cherry MX Blue switches, which if you're like me, you like clicky noises. I don't know, this is kind of a thing I liked with keyboards. And with Cherry MX Blues, you're really going to get that. It's not going to be quiet, as you can see. You really hear that when you click on it. I'm not really tapping it very hard, but yeah, I mean, this thing also comes with some nice things, such as these rubber grips that are optional. You can use this nice nifty key puller they provide you, or they provide with the keyboard too. Just lost my train of thought for a second. You can use this key puller to remove these, and these keys here actually come on the keyboard. They're just the normal black ones. And you can put these nice rubberized ones if you have, like, I don't know, slippy fingers like me. And this has some good features, like fully programmable keys. It has very easy to use software that allows you to program keys. It supports up to 10 profiles, and I'm pretty sure it has 6-key anti-ghosting. Basically what that means is you can press up to 6 keys at once, and it'll register all of the clicks. Yeah. So if you're kind of like a spaz and you type super fast, then that will be helpful for you, because a lot of times I find myself trying to type very fast, and I just writing it doesn't register some of my key clicks. That's problems I've had with older keyboards, and my messages look like a 2-year-old wrote them. But yeah, this is a really nice keyboard in my experience with it. It definitely doesn't feel like a cheap keyboard. I mean, for the price you pay, you'd expect it to be kind of cheap feeling, but it's got good weight to it. It's definitely not going to slip around your desk. And another thing I like about it, here, let me move this nice little box here. See my amazing cable management on my desk. Another thing about it is it has a fully nice braided cable, so that you're never gonna find yourself kinking it or it breaking inside if you accidentally drop it or something. But yeah, that's basically my thoughts on this keyboard. I've really been enjoying it for the time I've had it, and I really think you should look into getting this keyboard as well if this is your first time of getting a mechanical keyboard. I know this was the first mechanical keyboard I've ever had. I used to have an old K120 from Logitech. I'm pretty sure that's who made it. But yeah, that's my thoughts on it. I highly recommend this keyboard. It's very nice. And sorry for the quality. This is on my phone. But yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.